Alright, Brian, I hope this helps you out. I just hit the power button just now. Let's see if this works. There's the main screen. I hate my daggone camera here, man. It's just like, you see the red squares and crap. I don't know. I guess not enough light over here. But what it's going to do is this for a minute. Come on, let me get them. Damn it. Oh, well, we'll have to deal with it. It'll do this for a minute. Then it's going to come up with a blue screen, which is the new blue screen of death for Windows 8, a little frowny face, saying there's a problem your computer couldn't recover from. Your computer will reboot in less than 1 second. It's pretty quick, so. And then when it, hang on, we'll just see it. Sorry about the camera, man. See, there's a blue screen right there, a little frowny face. My camera's not, I don't know, it sucks on this tablet here, so. And it comes back up, and then it's going to go into preparing automatic repair. And then here in just a second, it's going to go off, and nothing's going to happen. See, it goes off the screen, nothing happens. I mean, I let it stay here for an hour earlier. It didn't do nothing. So if you have any suggestions, let me know.